Guys, Ricardo here from Blog Tech Tips, and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. Alright, so today I'm going to show you to set the time and date with the U8 Smartwatch. So let's go ahead and wake up the device, as you can see here. And once you're here, you can just go straight into the menu. Once you're in menu, go to settings. We're gonna set the date first. So I'm just gonna set date. Remember, you can just go over by pressing the middle button, which is this mid one right here, and it's already the 4th. So let's say it was the 5th, I could set it to the 5th. But I'm going to set it back to the 4th, and of course today is the 9th, so I'm going to tap the middle one, I'm going to tap again, and I'm going to set it to the 9th. So as you can see there, it was switch to the 9th, and to set it I'm going to select the first button over here, and it says done. If I go back to set time and date, notice it says 2018 the 4th at the 9th, and that's it for setting the date. So you can go back. Next you're going to go to set time. So once you're in here, the same applies. To go over, simply press on the button right there. Now I want to set the time to 9:15, so that will be 0 9. So sorry, 0. Press to go over, set 9, press again 1, and of course once again, and I'm going to hit 5. To set, I'm just going to hit the button over here. There you go, quite simple. Time and date is set. If I go back to the home screen, you'll notice here it says it's 9:15, and today is the 18th to the 4th or the 9th, which is a Monday, which is correct. Alright, so that's it basically on how to set the time and date. Alright, so if you have any comments, please leave them below. It's Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time, guys. Bye.